Hello friends, I'm sure that many of you would be aware of the fact that women in India, who constitute 48% of the population, contribute merely 18% of the GDP. I strongly feel that this low participation rate of women in the workforce, which is declining rapidly, is going to be the most important roadblock for India to become a Viksit Bharat in the 100th year of its independence. As a nation, we seem to have blocked inadvertently or consciously the entry of women from shop floors to the boardrooms of manufacturing industry. Fortunately, of late, there has been a realization that we need to open these doors for women. Not only because it is ethically and morally right to do so, but also because it makes business sense. All research, all studies, and an overwhelming body of evidence seems to point to the fact that India's plateauing growth rate, particularly in the manufacturing sector, is going to look southwards very soon unless we create an environment we encourage women to actively come forward and participate in all sectors of the economy. At Gainwell, we realize the value of this proposition. We realize that this is not going to happen automatically. To increase the participation of women in Gainwell is going to be a Herculean task. We are ready to make that effort. We are very willing to make that effort. We hope to improve our diversity quotient, which stood at a mere 2.8% in 2016 to 12% in 2026. Our efforts at creating an all-women pipeline from campuses to our shop floors, targeted skill development program aimed only at women, creating safe places, particularly from the point of view of women, are some of the innumerable steps that we have taken in this direction. Our heart fills up with hope and optimism when we see an all-women crew taking care of the morning shift of Roof Bolter division of Gainwell Engineering. It gives us immense happiness when we welcome our first builder, first fitter in the floor shop of Kharagpur or Kamarhati at TIL. We are aware that we have taken just baby steps in this direction at Gainwell, and it will be naive of us to believe that the journey ahead is not going to be tedious or difficult. But we can already feel our steps becoming firm. The silver line that we hope to reach one day is already visible to us. So how can we slow down now? We can't. We don't intend to. I urge and invite all of you to join Gainwell on this journey of laying down the terra firma for women, which will take them to the shop floors of manufacturing fields, with the hope that from there, one day, they will find their way to the boardrooms of these giant corporations and occupy the space which legitimately belongs to them.